13 Best Posture Correctors That Work. With many of our lives spent in sedentary, it's not much of a surprise that many of us suffer from poor posture. Because of all our habits, there has been a whole industry created in order to support these needs. Supports to aid us in correcting our posture. To ensure that we don't fall into the same trap, we've gone out and did some research into posture correctors that actually work and have created this list for you. Welcome to Lifehack Line, the channel that roars the secrets of life. Make sure to watch this video until the end because we don't want you to miss a thing. And if you don't know us yet, we at Lifehack Line are specialized in creating life hack ideas, tips and tricks, content that are absolutely fun and can make your life easier. What determines the best posture correctors? When looking at the various posture correctors, we considered a few criteria in our search. As a side note, because so many posture correctors out there haven't been tested and everyone's posture is different, we recommend talking to your doctors first before giving any of these a try. Number 1. Realigns your body. A posture corrector doesn't only correct posture but rather realigns your body. From spine to joints, the idea is to relieve the aches and pains, not too punishing. You're bound to experience pain at first as you put on a posture corrector and immediately go into your default posture. That being said, the pain should be gradual as you begin to adjust yourself over time. Easy to wear. You have traditional straps to even a few bras and back bands. Because there is a variety of them, you want to make sure that wearing one of them isn't going to be complicated or require a lot of work to put on. Can easily be hidden. While some of these can be worn over clothing, some people may prefer to keep these hidden. In those circumstances, these posture correctors are able to be hidden underneath your clothing easily. Best overall. Marrakeem. Looking for the best overall posture corrector? Look no further than the Marrakeem band. They use neoprene material, making it comfortable and easy to slip on. The reason this posture corrector is great overall is thanks to the posture brace. It ensures alignment and stability without being too punishing. Best design? Evoke Pro. One of the big complications with posture correctors is making sure you can get them on properly. Design plays such a huge factor in these circumstances. From our research, the best one we found were the ones from Evoke Pro. This low-profile design is simple. All you need to do is adjust the Velcro straps. We recommend wearing this over a top as many people have complained about armpit chafing. Furthermore, the material is durable, but it might cause skin irritation for some. Best budget. Botis. For those on a strict budget, a solid option to make the most of your money is the posture corrector from Botis. There are two ways you can wear this. Either strap this to your back, or if you're sitting for a long period of time, you can strap these to your knees and waist. No other posture corrector does anything like this. Aside from that, the material is high quality and the back brace is long enough to ensure the straps don't dig into your armpits. Best for back pain, FLEXGUARD. For those suffering specifically from back pain, you may want to consider getting a posture corrector for your entire back. The back brace posture corrector from FLEXGUARD Support is very helpful in this since it covers lower and upper back for both men and women. It's also made neoprene, which makes it durable, flexible, and comfortable. It also comes in such a large size that it can fit on any person without causing too much discomfort. Alternative for back pain, Copper Fit. Another option for those suffering from back pain is having a posture corrector that's focusing on the lower back. One option that we found was the Copper Fit Ice Compression Back Brace. Unlike other products on this list, it's made of 86% polyester and 14% spandex. This makes it highly flexible for men and women. The other aspect about it is that it serves as a cooling pad too. Both the compression and cooling aspects allow relief and support for those aches and pains. It covers muscle stiffness and soreness and promotes circulation too for fast recovery. Best for office, Upright. While all of these back braces are suitable for office use, not everyone wants to be seeing them. Furthermore, keeping them underneath a shirt can be uncomfortable for you as well as since the straps can irritate skin. In these circumstances, a small posture corrector is in order. One product that fits the bill is the Upright Go Original. This device is small and strapless, making it easy for you to place it under your clothes. Also, since it's small, it doesn't cause any skin irritation. In terms of function, this device is connected to an app that can use to train yourself to sit upright. This device uses technology unlike other posture correctors to help you with correcting your posture. On top of that, it provides you with a personalized training program that issues daily goals to improve your posture little by little. You even get statistics to get exact measurements and feedback. Best Bra Posture Corrector, Leoniza. Bras were originally designed to help with posture, though as many of us can relate to, bras can feel restrictive and uncomfortable. Thankfully, you're not going to run into this issue with this bra at all. It's made of 88% polyamide and 12% elastane, making it comfortable while also gently pulling you into a proper posture. Best for upper body support, Voca. Another solid option for upper body support is Voca's Posture Corrector, which uses a pull-on, hook, and loop closure type. This particular posture corrector has larger straps along with pads for additional comfort. The material is also highly breathable and strong, allowing it to last for a very long time. Best for women overall is the Berlin and Daughter. A unique posture corrector that's great for women overall is the one we found made by Berlin and Daughter. This unique design provides additional support for your upper back thanks to the additional straps that wraps underneath the chest. This design is also comfortable and stretchy, allowing you to make adjustments to it as needed. This design also provides 2 ways that you can wear it, making it a versatile posture corrector for women. Best back brace for women is the GZXI-SI. Another alternative back brace to consider for women is the thoracic and back brace for GZXI-SI. This comfortable design is designed to fit your body and correct your posture. The brace also has additional padding to ensure it doesn't rub or cut into armpits or shoulders. Best for lumbar support for men, ASPEN. Lumbar support is another way of helping with poor posture. After all, a stronger lower back can pick up the slack from the upper back. One in particular we found that was great for men was the one from ASPEN. The main selling point of this product is that the braces are inelastic. This helps with improving trunk stability, which is key in relieving back pain. You can also find it easier for the brace to fit you thanks to all the dual pull tabs. This also allows you to focus on compressing certain parts of your lower back, all the while the brace is comfortable for you to wear. Best for lumbar support for women is the ABAHUB. For women looking for more lumbar support, one product was something that we found from ABAHUB. This lumbar brace has 4 steel stabilizers which help support you from your medi back. It also comes with 2 adjustable elastic straps, giving you a customized degree of tightness. The ergonomic design of this brace also permits a full range of motion without any binding or pinching from anywhere, making it comfortable to wear and wear over the course of the day. Men can use this as well. However, there are others that are more suitable for men. Best user-friendly supporter, Andego. The final product we'll review is one from Andego. It focuses on the back and boasts easy adjustments, conceals under clothes well, can be adjusted for children as well, and slips on easily. It also comes with additional straps for comfort and is very breathable. An overall great product for anyone to use. With so many posture correctors in the market, it can be difficult to find quality products. So many people have run into pitfalls with products breaking, smelling funny, or not being all that helpful. However, we've looked at some of the best ones in the market for you, and we believe that these are the best options out there. So find the one that's best for you and improve your posture in the weeks to come. Think these helped? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Lifehack Lion, and make sure to hit that notification bell icon to be the first to watch our newest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next Lifehack Lion video.